Hi, this is Alan at Ripperden Resources, LLC. And today I want to announce our latest product, and that is Packout and Wall mounts for the 2441 caulk gun, adhesive gun, caulk applicator, whatever you want to call it. We'll offer the Packout mounts in red and black. We will also offer the wall mounts in red and black. These mounts attach to the Packout wall, the same as our other Packout wall mounts. They just simply slide into place and push down. There's two release tabs at the top. You press them in and pull it up and out. To install the tool onto the mount, we use this angled piece right here to hold it into place. So you're going to bring it above the mount and just drop it into place. It's that simple. But it comes out and it goes in on a slight angle. The wall mounts work exactly the same way as the Packout mounts, except we provide two counterbore holes so you can attach this to a wall using a number 10 or a 5mm fastener. We have all these mounts in stock. They're available today at ripperdenresources.com. At Ripperden Resources, LLC, we bring your vision into reality with precision 3D scanning, advanced 3D design and modeling, and high-performance 3D printing. From concept to production, we work with materials ranging from consumer grade to ultra-high performance and flame-retardant filaments. If you want to bring your additive manufacturing capabilities in-house, we sell professional 3D scanners, high-temperature printers, and filaments. Contact us today on our website, ripperdenresources.com. Email us at info@ripperdenresources.com or call us today at 940-273-9713.